I was replacing my first gas strut on an awning. I didn't read the document first, right? I looked at it, it's 2 pins. How hard could it be? I'm a big guy, I got, nice grip in my hands. I did it the way that looked like it would just be the right way, just thinking about it. Gripped the gas strut, popped the star washer off, pulled the pin out, went to ease it back towards the coach and try and compress down and pop out. As I did so, it shot up against the mount arm there, pinched my fingers in between. I was stuck in place. I had to pry the gas strut off to get my hand free. After doing that, I thought there's no way it's that difficult and dangerous. There's no way. And so I pulled up the app, pulled up the documents. There's literally a TI sheet on how to do that. Instead of undoing it there, it was undo the pitch arm up at the outer arm, ease everything down while you support the arm. And that process was so much easier and safer. We've all been more brawn than brain on some occasion, and it gets you.
Got a story, Aaron?
Always. One thing that I learned very quickly when working on RVs is keep your mouth shut. So what I mean by that is I'm a talker. I love to talk. Everybody knows that knows me. Well, something I learned very quickly was I was pulling my first ever underbelly. I was pulling an underbelly. I was going in to replace, well, I wasn't replacing it. I was actually checking it to do some diagnostics on a rear sensor for a leveling system, which is actually up in the underbelly. And I'm sitting there just jabber-jawing away, talking, and right as I look up to pull that underbelly down, I took a mouse nest right to the mouth.
Oh, no.
So, not just hit me in the face, mouth wide open, mid-sentence, right into my mouth. So, although the guy that was helping me learn was crying because he was laughing so hard, it was quite comical, but I learned a very hard lesson that day of whenever you're crawling under, mouth shut, right? The safety glasses, that's the easy part. Keep your mouth shut.